Good morning, students. I am Pankaj Mishra, your maths teacher, here again with a new video on maths class. Students, as you all know, we have already started with this chapter, that is expansion. We have solved some of the question from the exercise. We are just about to complete this chapter today. Some of the question that was left of some other type, we'll be discussing it today. So the first question for today is, if it is given x square plus 1 by 4x square is equal to 8, find x cube plus 1 by 8x cube. So student, in this question you can see it is given x square plus 1 by 4x square is 8 and we have to find this. So we can use this value somewhere. So for this what can we do? We can write let x plus 1 by 2x हम लेते हैं and we'll take the square of this. So this will be equal to x square plus 1 by 4x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 2x. So this x goes with x, 2 goes with 2. So in place of this x square plus 1 by 4x square we can write 8. So this will become 1x plus 1 by 2x का whole square. This will be 8 plus 1 which is equal to 9. So this x plus 1 by 2x will be under root 9 which is 3. So in place of x plus 1 by 2x we can write 3. Now we have to get the cube of this. So what we'll do, we'll cube of this equation. So this will be x plus 1 by 2x ka cube and this will be 3 ka cube. So this will be a cube plus b cube plus 3 into ab bracket a plus b. This is equal to 27. So this will be x cube plus 1 by 8x cube. This x goes with this and this will be 3 by 2 into, in place of x plus 1 by 2x we can write 3 here. So this will be 27. So this value will come to 27 minus 9 by 2 which is equal to, we'll take the LCM of this. So this will be 54 minus 9, 45 by 2. This will be the result. So student, if a condition is given to you like this, you have to use the condition, you can get the result. Now we'll move to the next question which is of another type. Question number 2. In this question also a condition is given. If a square minus 3a plus 1 equal to 0, find a square plus 1 by a square. Second, a cube plus 1 by a cube. So student, in this question what you have to do, we have to use this term. So a square minus 3a plus 1 is equal to 0. So we can write a square plus 1 here and we can shift this minus 3a to the right side as per the condition required. Now on dividing the equation by a, both sides. So this will be a square by a and 1 upon a and 3a by a. So this will be a plus 1 by a equal to a goes with a, this will be 3. So we have got a condition now, a plus 1 by a is equal to 3, which we will use to get the values. So this will be, अगर हम इसका square करेंगे, so this will be equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a and 1 by a will get cancel out. So this a square plus 1 by a square will be equal to 9 minus 2, 7. So this is how you have to solve this question. The next part is same. What you just have to do, you just have to do the cube of this a plus 1 by a like we have done in the previous question. So student, you have to solve the question like this. Now we will move to the next question. We'll move to the next question which is of different type. If x is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6, find under root x plus 1 by under root x. So student, there are two methods by which you can solve it. First, directly substitute this value and do the rationalization. One more method that I will tell you. You can see x is given as 5 minus 2 by root 6. It will take the reciprocal of this. This will be equal to 1 minus this one. Now on rationalization, this will become 5 plus 2 root 6. So 1 by x will be 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by a plus b, a minus b, a plus b will be a square minus b square. So this is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6, 25 minus 24. So this is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 upon 1. So 1 by x can be written as this. Now as per the condition is required, there is a addition sign in between this. So on adding these two, we will get 5 minus 2 root 6 plus 5 plus 2 root 6. 2 root 6 goes with 2 root 6, this will be 10. So x plus 1 by x will be equal to 10. We can use this value. Now as the condition is given in the question that we have to get the value of under root x plus 1 by under root x. So if we will take the square of this, so x plus 1 by x plus 2 into root x into 1 by root x. This will be x plus 1 by x plus 2. So this will be equal to, in place of this x plus 1 by x, we can use this 10. So 10 plus 2, which is 12. So under root x plus 1 by under root x will be equal to under root 12, which is equal to plus minus 2 root 3. So this will be the solution. Now one more type of question that is left, that is the last one in this exercise. If the sum and the product of two numbers are 8 and 15, it is given, let the number be x and y. Number be x and y. It is given x plus y is 8 and x into y is 15. And you have to find x cube plus y cube. So for this question, student, what we have to do, we have to use this value. So if we will write x plus y equal to 8 and on cubing both sides, this will become x plus y ka cube, 8 ka cube. So this will be a cube plus b cube plus 3 into ab bracket a plus b, which is equal to 512. So this x cube plus y cube, in place of this xy, we can use 15. 3 into 15, and in x plus y we can use 8. So this will be 512. Now in order to solve x cube plus y cube, we can write 512 minus, this will be 45 into 8. 45 into 8, which is equal to 512 minus 8 5 is 40, 3 36. On subtracting this, we can get 2, 11 minus 6, 5, 4 minus 3, 1 is 2, 1, sorry. So this is how you will solve the question. Now we have almost completed the chapter. Just go through the exercises. You can now solve all the questions. Solve the chapter test also. Ask your doubt in the group. Okay, I'll be there for you. You can ask me in the group, or personally you can call me, you can do video call also. I have made you clear all the points that was there in this chapter, but do remember this thing, students, you have to learn the formulas in order to solve the questions. Thank you, class.